That's what I lost during this detangling. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Heidi Francis and I am a natural hair advocate and a consultant. So far I've helped a lot of African women grow their natural hair. So if that sounds like your thing, do ensure to subscribe and click the bell that's just right beside the button so that you will be the first to be notified anytime I drop a new content in this channel. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss my video next time. Okay, so in today's video I am going to be using the Chebe powder on my hair for the first time on camera. Finally, I laid my hands on the original Chebe powder, actually branded by me, and I've been using it on my hair and the result is way out of this world. I've noticed that the shedding, the breakage that I was experiencing is actually reducing, and you know what, my hair retains moisture for longer. So Chebe powder is definitely a hair saver. You can take that from me. I'll show you how I mixed my Chebe powder. Okay, so what we'll be using is this original Chebe powder from my brand, which is Adan Eded. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be using is one of my favorite deep conditioners, which is the Harmony deep conditioner. That's what I'll be using to mix this powder together, since I will be leaving it on my hair for a long time, so it is wise for me to use a deep conditioner. Next thing I'll be using is this, my hair growth oil, which I'm releasing this hair growth oil by next week. So if you need it, just let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I forget to tell you, this is 150 gram of the Chebe powder and it goes for 4,500 naira. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is to take a few tablespoons of this powder. That is about 4, and I'm going to pour in my deep conditioner. Yeah, this is so good. I'm going to add my hair growth oil. This is optional, but for me, I like oils on my hair a lot. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the hair growth oil. For best result, it's better you infuse this thing together overnight. After all, it is an infusion method, so ensure you do this overnight. Then the following morning, you just apply it on your hair, which is exactly what I did. So let's go to the next phase where I will apply this. so I have finished applying the Chebe on my hair, and I made just enough for my hair. Like, it's enough. Like, I really love this Chebe infused. This Chebe hair mask, as usual, it really softens and moisturizes the hair. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is to, where is my grocery bag? I got it. So it's to put my hair in a grocery bag. So I'm gonna go ahead with my normal business of the day. Then I'll let this stay in my hair for as long as I can carry it. I'm looking at 3 hours before I wash this thing off. Okay, so I finished washing my hair, and I actually towel dry it. I wish you can actually reach out your hands from this channel or the camera to touch my hair. My hair right now is very soft. I mean, when I say soft, it is very soft. You can see the way I'm running my hair through this. Anytime I use this Chebe powder, I usually get the same result. Like, I love this. But I must tell you, like I say in most of Ayurvedic herbs, if you cannot do it at home, you should actually mix it and take it to the salon and have it done for you at the salon, because the process of washing it off will make your bathroom messy, and it actually needs a lot of water. But believe me, it was taking the shot. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is to seal in the moisture with my hair growth oil, which will be available for sale from next week, God willing. Yes, I'm that religious. Next week, God willing. And I'm going to be using this Shea Moisture Coil Enhancing Smoothie on my hair as well. Today is a lazy day for me, so I won't be able to stay on camera to be applying all of that. I'm sorry, I can't do that on cam, so I'll just do the normal process, and that will be it. Okay, this original Chebe powder is 4,500 naira for 150 grams, something like this. You can use it up to 4 or 5 or 6 times on your hair. The thing about this is that it is original. Take it from me, take it from me. It is original, it is the best. Okay, so that's where I'm going to end this video today, and until another time when I will come your way with another video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and share this content with your friends as well. Okay.